Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I'm using XFCE Wayland version, and I've noticed that when you install software, it doesn't appear in the menu, and so I'm going to show you how to fix that. So I'm going to open up a terminal. And I'm going to install the Falcon web browser, as you've seen here. Sudo zipper install Falcon. Click Y for that. Now, if I go to the menu and type Falcon, you can see it's not there. Now, one solution is obviously to reboot the computer, but an easier way is to type XFCE -panel, and the -R, like that. We can close the terminal. And Falcon now appears in the menu. And that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Everyday Linux User.